Welcome to INS Creations Ltd, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After create a page for a flyer design, let's go to the element and search for a rectangle shape. Take this shape and adjust it left side of the page, and let's change the color in black. Then press Alt and copy this shape and make it smaller and adjust it on the upper of the previous shape. Change the color in gray. Now take a text box and type special menu. First type special and change the color. Change the font style. Keep this font style and press Alt and copy the text box and type menu. Change the font color in white and change the small shape color in yellow. Then press Alt and copy the small shape box and make it a thin line. Compress the box and make it a thin line, and then resize the menu, make it bigger. Then go to the element and search for a foot picture. Let's take this picture and remove the background and adjust it under the special menu. Now take another text box and type prawn sushi. Change the font style in this and change the color of this font in yellow, and take another text box and type the text salad. Change the font. Then give the page color black and change the shape color in white and keep the text in black. Then take a text box, type lunch, decrease the font style and adjust it on the left corner of the page, the right corner of the page. Take another text box and type food name. And paste the dummy text under food name. Now go to the element, take a rectangle shape, make it smaller, over rectangle shape, take a text box and type the food price. Take this rectangle shape and make it a thin line. Select all of these things and make it a copy and paste it under it. Now take another rectangle shape and adjust it under the food names. Take a text box and type drinks. Then take another text box, type drinks name and copy this drinks name in another section and now from the element take a line, select all of them and make the line weight. And go to the element and search for a sushi food or any sushi pictures. Take this picture and adjust it on the right corner, bottom right corner. Now unlock the yellow box and adjust it all over the picture. Now take a text box and change this color in yellow and name it. Place it over the second picture and go to the effects and for shape give a curve shape and adjust it with the plate. Now take a text box and type the text delivery. After that, take a text box and type the phone numbers. Go to the element, search for a delivery order. Let's take this icon and resize this icon and adjust it with the delivery order. Change the color in yellow. Go to the element and search for a food smoke. Take this food smoke and adjust it with the second picture and make it behind of the plate. Let's see how it is look. Then let's search our logo INS Creations Ltd. Take this logo and adjust it over the picture. INS Creations Ltd, bringing ideas to life. Then go to the element and search for a food logo. Take this sushi pen icon and make it smaller and change the color in yellow and white. Now take a text box and type the name of the restaurant. Almost done. Here it is, a flyer design for a food menu card. If you need this kind of minimal design for your restaurant or food cart or any other design need you have, like logo design, brochure, annual report card, pitch decks or presentation, please contact with us. Our contact details will be attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creations Ltd.